My name is Frederick Ebenezer Okai, an artist working and living in Ghana. My work deals with subjects such as coexistence, self-reflection, community, archiving, traditional knowledge. My mom also used to make artistic projects using fabric and then mosaic and all that, and these are the things that really influence my practice. I engage with the work in a manner of self-respect, and so whatever the work demands from me, I try to also bring it into my practice. And so I borrow processes and techniques from different artisanry fields. And so sometimes I become a mason, sometimes I am a welder, a carpenter, and always a potter. I just want people to relate to my work in the manner of their own experiences.